Let's go. Let's go, bud.
Well, it'd beat me if we ever get close to the hills, buddy.
Alright. This fine.
Huh?
I said that's fine. What was that one place that Papa took me to? The bumpy roads. Is that the overlook too?
I don't know, baby.
Let's get started.
Get that paper, throw it out. Not right here, just hold on to it, but I won't throw it out.
Now, Dad.
Where it at? Recording right now.
Yeah.
Throw it out.
Let's go.
We're a good ways away from bouncing like going off road. But
Oh.
we're gonna go straight to the top of that hill right over there. Straight to the top of that motherfucker. It's gonna be to the right of it.
So we're going to the left or the right?
The way you're holding the camera, you ain't gonna see show shit, bub. To the main top of them trees up there on the other side of the mountain. Just to the right of it.
Right. That seems cool. I love your new truck that you got.
Thank you, bub.
When we get up in the mountains, we'll have to put our seatbelts on. Papa would usually go down there, Dad, and then, yeah. He'd go to a different place, right?
That takes you up to the head of the holler from the backside.
Oh.
You go underneath that bridge and cut up right-handed. That's the way I was going to take you on the side by side, but the fucking bearings out.
Oh.
But that's the way I was going to go. See that radio tower right there? Look,
Yeah.
see that radio tower standing straight up?
Yeah.
We're going right there.
Oh.
We're going right there on that little corner of the cliff. We'll be looking straight down this way.
That looks nice. Will we be able to see Nana's trailer maybe?
No. The way the mountain is, you ain't going to be able to see Nana's house.
Oh.
You have to be on this side of the mountain. Okay, on that side of the hillside to see Nana's house.
Okay.
It's the way the holler sets, the way the hill's cut, it makes it the blinds that you ain't gonna see shit.
Yeah. So next time we go, we'll fix the bearings on the 4x4.
Daddy have it fixed for them.
Alright. And then we'd be able to go over there. Which is more dangerous, this one or that one?
Huh?
Which is more dangerous, this way or that one?
Here in a second, you'll be looking right off the corner of that fucking rock right there, looking down on this town.
Oh yeah, because it there's roads and it kind of goes in circles around it up, right?
Something like that, baby. Something like that.
Yeah. It's like a Sonic ring. It's like you go up and up and up and up and up and up. It's like a little Sonic hill. I get it. It's real beautiful. Look at all these rocks. Shoot, I think it's the best time right now. Because it ain't too hot, it ain't too cold, you know what I'm saying, Dad?
Huh?
I think right now is the perfect time to go because it ain't too hot, ain't too cold. Because in Kentucky, it would usually be cold, but it's not. It's actually Feels like maybe 60.